Good day and welcome. We are diving headfirst into the crypto market's latest roller coaster ride. Yeah, just when it seemed like we were off to the moon, prices have taken an absolutely massive nosedive. It's been a really tough day for investors, so let's break down exactly what's going on and why.
Right, have a look at this number, $200 million. That's the amount of crypto that's been liquidated, basically forcibly sold off in just the last hour alone. It's like a massive domino effect. The price falls, which triggers more forced selling, and that just pushes the whole market down even further. It's brutal.
And this is the result. Bitcoin's price has just been in an absolute free fall. It smashed right through those higher support levels, and right now, it's testing that critical $90,000 floor. Honestly, this is a real make-or-break moment for Bitcoin. So what is causing all this chaos? Well, in this first part, Crypto's Red Alert, we're going to take a closer look at the market's health and see just how deep this damage really goes. As you can see, the picture is, well, it's not pretty. Bitcoin's down a whopping 10 to 15% for the week. That is a huge drop from its recent high of over $126,000. And it's not just Bitcoin either. Ethereum has taken a pretty significant hit as well, dipping below that key $3,000 mark.
Okay, let's zoom right in on the technicals now. We're at a really critical point here. And the charts, well, they're telling a story of a fierce battle between the buyers and the sellers. Welcome to the technical battleground. This slide here, it maps out Bitcoin's current battlefield perfectly. You can see the price is fighting right there, around that $90,000 to $92,000 support zone. A lot of people see this as the absolute last line of defense. If this level doesn't hold, we could be in for a much bigger drop. And this is what traders call a bounce or breakdown moment. So are the buyers going to jump in, see this as a bargain, and push the price back up? Or are the sellers just going to keep dominating and send it crashing right through that floor? The next few hours, maybe the next day, could really define the market for weeks to come. So why is the market so stuck in this tug of war? In our next section, we'll get into the conflicting forces that are pulling the price in completely opposite directions.
This slide just captures the whole conflict perfectly, doesn't it? On one side, you've got the bearish news, like potential U.S. regulations that could give the taxman more access to foreign crypto accounts, and that's creating a lot of uncertainty. But then, on the other side, you've got these bullish signals, with big institutional players buying the dip and exciting new projects like Cardano's new privacy protocol about to launch.
And speaking of that institutional confidence, check this out. $835 million. That's how much Michael Saylor's firm just poured into Bitcoin. It's a really fascinating split, isn't it? While a lot of retail investors are, panicking, some of the biggest players out there are doubling down on their long-term vision. Which leads us to the ultimate question, doesn't it? How does all of today's chaos really affect crypto's long-term vision? It's a high-stakes question, with literally trillions of dollars on the line. You see, crypto visionaries like Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, they're not sweating the daily price swings. They are absolutely playing the long game. Hoskinson reckons we're on a path to a $10 trillion market, not because of hype, but because crypto is fundamentally creating a brand new financial system from the ground up. And look, this long-term vision, it's backed by some pretty impressive numbers. The number of crypto users is expected to hit 1 billion by 2030. Now, this isn't just about more people buying crypto. It's about building a whole new financial infrastructure, these crypto rails, where global assets get tokenized and traded on the blockchain. In that future, we're not talking billions, we're talking trillions. So what's the bottom line here? Today's market crash really just highlights this massive battle between short-term fear and that incredible long-term vision. We're standing at a crossroads, really, where the future of finance is being decided in real time. The big question is, can that long-term dream really survive all this short-term chaos?